Hey Han, welcome to another video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my mini twist maintenance routine as well as some tips on how to properly take care of your protective style to grow your hair super long even though you're a lazy natural. First things first, I'll spray my hair with water. Now anytime I'm moisturizing my hair, I always start with water because my hair loves it so much. Water is super lightweight and it's the easiest thing for your hair to absorb. It's the most hydrating spray you can ever use on your hair. I mean, like, it's water. Do you get? So I spray my hair from roots to tips and make sure that it gets everywhere. You can already see that my hair is looking much better. Next, I'm taking my leave-in conditioner from Nature's Gentle Touch. It has a soft and creamy texture and it's a little runny, just how I like it. I have low porosity hair, so my hair really can't deal with super thick, super heavy products. They sit on my hair and do absolutely nothing. It's why I've never ever liked using butters in my hair, especially while moisturizing. They are just too much for my hair. My hair responds better to lighter, runnier consistencies as you can see. I know my twists are looking super frizzy at just 1 week old, but that's just how my hair is. My hair is like super soft and it just likes to curl in on itself. Also, while installing the twist, I made sure that I twisted loosely. Now, I did this so that my twists would not be locking or unraveling on their own after a few days, because I know a lot of people that do mini twists and they complain about that locking and unraveling a lot. So twisting loosely is one way that I have found that stops that whole stuff from happening. Anytime I twist loosely, my twists stay intact and they don't unravel on their own, they don't form locks, nothing. But because I twist loosely now, my hair gets frizzy a lot faster. It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make, honestly, because when your hair looks like that, the detangling process can be such a headache, and I don't like that at all. So I'd rather twist loosely and deal with my frizz in peace. I'm also going to put some of the conditioner on my edges as well. Always include your edges in anything that you do. Whether you are washing, deep conditioning, moisturizing, or oiling your hair and scalp, always make sure that you include your edges and your hairline. This way they can grow and be strong without the need for edge growth oil or edge growth serum, all those propaganda by all these brands to collect extra money from you. If you want to know more about how to keep your edges and hairline intact, watch this video. It's linked in the description and the end screen. Next, I'm going to take my Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Spray and apply it to my scalp. Now, I don't have dandruff and I haven't for a very long time. I feel like this spray not only treats dandruff but also prevents it. It's very lightweight and easily absorbed, so there is never excessive buildup on my scalp like ever. It also has a soothing minty feel that is like so sweet and tingly on my scalp. It's just perfect, to be honest. It's the perfect scalp spray for me. Both my hair and scalp have been moisturized and taken care of, and the difference is definitely clear. You see how easy it was for me to moisturize my hair and scalp in this style? It's one of the reasons I love mini twists so much as a protective style. I can take care of my hair without the hassle of detangling and combing. There's practically zero manipulation and breakage, and my moisture retention is definitely up. Like this moisture that I just put in my hair now can literally last all week. And if the twists get any crustier, I can just pack them up and throw a wig on or just tie my head wrap and be on my way. Honestly, I think protective styles like mini twists, mini braids, cornrows, and flat twists are the key to long hair, especially if you are a lazy natural that does not like stress. Like, if you are not a fan of detangling and wash day and all those kind of things, with styles like this, you can have your wash day, you can moisturize your hair, you can treat your scalp, you can do anything you want to do, but without all that extra hassle of detangling your hair and packing it up in sections and all that. Like, your hair is already in sections in a way, you get, it's just easier to handle your hair while it is in a protective style. Now I'm going to pack my twists up in scrunchies, and actually I'm going to be using the scrunchies as bands to stretch out the twist a little bit. think my next hairstyle is going to be chunky loose braids. I don't know, it's just been in my head for a while. Drop a comment if you would like a tutorial video for that. So to secure my ends, I'm wrapping them and tucking them back into the scrunchies. So now my hair is moisturized and protected while my scalp is tingling and calm. My edges are also taken care of. My routine is complete, guys. So check out these videos on the screen right now, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.